So by now, if you've reached this stage in your AM.CO router, well, it's that big part and a little bit of a chore to go through and remove the wasteboard. Now, this is a big question that a lot of people have to ask, but in truth, it's actually relatively simple. All we got to do is kind of get into one corner and start to apply a bit of upwards pressure. So let me show you how easy this is. So I want to try and make sure that I come underneath the actual material itself. I want to be cautious not to actually hurt the table. And if you've done a really good job, this first little section will take a bit of plying. But once we are able to grab this corner, and so I'm just gently going to work it down, get up a little bit of area, and keep on prying off our previous wasteboard. One tip that I will give you is try not to go too far or too deep into your wasteboard. If you are getting to that region of 4, 5, maybe even 6 mils, you might have a little bit of trouble trying to actually remove the wasteboard up from your table. There is a chance that this is going to break. So I've got about 6 mils, so I'm already at the point where we don't have much to grab onto. But right now, all we're going to do is keep on plying this off. So as you can see, we're starting to get most of this off, but best of all, get someone to help you because it does take a little bit of work. Many hands make short work of a big job. Hey, aha, and we are officially loose. All right, so there we have released our wasteboard. That's half the job done. Maybe let's pop this guy down. And if you remember some of the first videos that we posted on how to get your wasteboard down onto your table, well, simply it is a rinse and repeat, a little bit of clean off over here. It's really easy to pull this off. Half an hour later, you're pretty much back to square one. And every 100 or so boards, or depending on how much you're cutting into this, I think we've done about 130 sheets. So is a wasteboard really expensive to use? No. And really easy to set up. Take off, happy machining.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more. am.co.za. Achievement matters.